What is up, Midway Mayhem fans? This is Dan, and we are checking back in from Walt Disney's Magic Kingdom, and today we're going to be doing a Tron roller coaster construction update. A lot of progress has been made since our last time that we've been here. Let's go check it out.
Got a pen on you? When they dug the lake, they found the sand. But they cleared off the bucket. They make
And we have arrived here at the Magic Kingdom. One thing I do want to point out though, if you're coming to the park, make sure to plan accordingly and give yourself some extra time, as they're doing a bunch of work over at the tram stop and security. Took us a good extra maybe 5 to 10 minutes to get over here, but we're inside, got ready to do our update. It's a hot one today, somewhere in the 90s. Doesn't appear to be too busy. Mother's Day, nice day to be here. Well, this is a little bit different. We can see the lagoon has been drained. Over there it is barricaded and blocked. But over here, yep, water's gone. We do have construction ducks. Yeah! And little ducklings too. But it's kind of weird seeing all the water drained from here. Tomorrowland, also known as the home for Tron in the future. And the first attraction up for us is going to be People Mover. It gives a great view of all the construction. And our chariot has arrived.
Immediately exciting. The People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never...
attention. Please remain seated. This ride has stopped temporarily and will
And
resume
now we're
motion
broke.
at any time.
And now we're broke.
Please remain seated for your own safety.
And now we're running again. Oh, that's cool. That was kind of neat. Tomorrowland Speedway, still closed, but good news. Cars are on the track, and employees have been doing some testing. In fact, there was even a drag race that was caught on film. I would love to do that sometime. It'd be kind of neat. But yes, Tomorrowland Speedway, not too much longer. Hopefully, we'll be back open.
But I hope you will come back and visit us later today. At this time, please exit the way you entered. Once you
Maybe that's the fan. Yeah, we can play.
Oh, they're building a TRON ride. Ladies and gentlemen, we're sorry for the inconvenience, but due to inclement weather, the bar storage feature of the Great Dune City has temporarily suspended all flights. At this time, we cannot give you an exact reopening.
Yeah, let's go. And that's just about going to do it for our views of Tron from inside the park. Now we're going to head over to the Contemporary.
This right here?
Yeah.
Is that where it is? Is that where Tron's going? Look, Tron's over there. Over there where there's a crane. Tron with something else over there.
Well guys, that's going to do it for our video here from the Magic Kingdom, and as we saw, major progress for Tron as supports are in the air, and we expect a lot more are going to be rising very, very soon. Of course, we're going to have more updates from here, so if you like what we do, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem, and I will see you out on the Midway.